Here's 3 ways to see if someone is tracking your iPhone.
Click on Settings. From here, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click there. From there, I want you to click on Location Services right up top. And then right in the middle, click on Share My Location. And you're going to want this to be gray if you want to make sure that you're not sharing your location. I would leave the Find My iPhone on.
Next, we're going to check one other location, so grab your phone.
Click on Find My iPhone app right there. And if you look at the bottom and click on Me right there, make sure that you are not sharing your location.
The last place most people don't think to check is their actual carrier, whether it's Verizon, AT&T, Sprint. I recommend that you log in on your desktop, and if you're sharing an account with somebody, they can probably track your phone depending on the carrier. So if you were sharing an account, got a divorce, I definitely recommend that you get your own account, and that will alleviate this problem.